Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how to deposit your Hamster Kombat Airdrop token into your Binance account. If you open your Hamster Kombat, let's open it so that I'll show you. It's opening now. I know you're already aware that the deposit option has opened and you can start depositing into any of these exchanges. We have Binance, OKX exchange, Bybit, wallet in Telegram, EBI exchange, on-chain airdrop. I wouldn't advise anyone in Nigeria to deposit into OKX exchange for the fact that OKX is no more available in Nigeria. So assuming you'll be depositing into your Binance exchange, you have to click on Binance exchange. Before you do that, make sure you must have created an account with Binance exchange and you have done your KYC. You can see by the right hand side that they indicated that KYC is needed. I did a video on how to create Bitget account. Is a similar way. Using that similar method, you'll be able to create accounts with Binance and also verify your account. If you're using an Android phone, the first thing you need to do is to download Binance Exchange and then create an account. After creating your account, you now do your KYC. And if you're using an iPhone, you go to your Apple Store and download Binance Exchange and do the same. Please, if you're confused, you can watch the video I did on how to create a Bitget account. It will guide you. You'll use that format and do the same. But most importantly, after creating your account, make sure you do your KYC. Is important. That's the only way you'll be able to deposit. All right, let me click on Binance Exchange. I've already created an account with Binance. I'll click on Binance Exchange. Look at the question that they have. Do you have a Binance account? I'll click on yes, I have it. If you've not created it, you can click on no, let's create it, and you can use that format to create it. But now I'll click on yes, I have it. You can see that it started on 13th of September, the off-chain deposit, and then it will end on 21st of September. And as from September 24th, Binance will start confirming or declining all the deposits. Look at the two things that are required. You need your Hamster deposit address and your memo. So for me to get that, I'll have to go into my Binance exchange. I've already opened up my Binance exchange. I'll click on portfolio. You can see portfolio by the extreme right below, and I'll click on deposit. But before you do this, like I said, make sure you have done your KYC. All right, it's asking choose currency. Okay, no, this is fiat, this is crypto. I'm not depositing fiat, I'm depositing crypto, so I'll select crypto. Then I'll search Hamster Kombat. You can see Hamster Kombat here. I'll select Hamster Kombat. Choose network is automatically under Toncoin, so I'll select Toncoin. Alright guys, as you can see, an important information just popped up. Let's read it out. Both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your Hamster to Binance. I'll click on continue. You can see my Hamster deposit address. I'll copy it out. Then I'll come to my Hamster Kombat mini app on Telegram. I'll click on paste. I'll paste it here. I'll go back to my Binance and copy out the memo. Remember that this memo is important. Without this memo, you might lose your coin, most likely. It's even written here, memo is required or you will lose your coin. So I'll have to copy out my memo. I'll have to copy out my memo. Then I'll go back to my Hamster Kombat mini app on Telegram and I'll paste my memo. And after I do this, I'll click on save and choose. You can see save and choose here. Once I do that, my Binance exchange will be selected here. You can see it will be selected here. It will be ticked good. You can still do the same if you want to deposit to Bybit exchange. All right, let me go to my Bybit exchange. This is Bybit. I've selected Bybit. It's loading. It has a similar pattern. Below here, I'll click on assets by the extreme right below, and I'll select deposit. You can see deposit crypto. That's the one I'll select. The third one, I'll select deposit crypto. Then I'll search for the crypto that I want to deposit. Let me search for Hamster. Okay, let me use the ticker HMSTR. Okay, see what happened. I tried searching with Hamster Kombat, the full name, it didn't come out. Then I use the ticker, which is HMSTR. You can see it below. Then I'll select Hamster and I'll select ton. You can see ton below. That's the network and the chain. Look at the notice here, just like we saw on Binance. To ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the Hamster deposit address and Hamster deposit memo/tag when making a deposit. Failure to do so may result in loss of funds. You can see that. I'll select OK. You can see here, look at my Hamster Kombat deposit address here from Bybit. I'll select it. I'll come back to my Hamster Kombat mini app on Telegram. I'll select Bybit exchange. But before then, please, you need to ensure that you have already created accounts on Bybit and you have verified your KYC. Is very, very important. You use the same similar method that you use to create your Binance account, your KuCoin account, your Bitget account, or the rest of them to create your Bybit account. After that, you verify it.